Upgrading the memory in a Synology NAS can significantly boost performance, and the ATEC 32GB, 2x16GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM kit is designed to do just that. This kit is specifically made as a replacement for Synology's D4 ECSO 2666-16G and D4 ES01-16G memory modules, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of Synology Disk Station, Rack Station, Flash Station, and NVR-DVA models. The ATEC kit consists of two 16GB modules, totaling 32 GB of DDR4 ECC SODIMM memory. It operates at a speed of 2,666 MHz, PC4-21300, which is the sweet spot for many Synology NAS devices. The ECC error-correcting code functionality is crucial for maintaining data integrity, especially in demanding server environments where data corruption can have serious consequences. Installation is generally straightforward, as it uses the standard 260-pin SODIMM form factor. The memory operates at a voltage of 1.2 V, adhering to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, which helps in keeping power consumption and heat generation in check. The dual-rank 2RX8 configuration can also contribute to improved memory performance in certain scenarios. ATEC memory modules undergo rigorous testing to ensure reliability. The company also backs its products with a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind. The upgrade can lead to noticeable improvements in NAS performance, especially when dealing with large files, running multiple applications, or serving numerous users. More memory allows the NAS to handle more concurrent tasks, cache more data, and reduce reliance on slower storage devices. For Synology NAS owners looking to enhance the capabilities of their systems, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM kit present a cost-effective and reliable solution. It's a worthwhile investment for users who demand optimal performance and data integrity from their NAS devices.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.